Bro, I am so happy. I just got this in the mail. If you don't know what this is, bro, look at this. Ta-da! So for the first part of this video, I'm gonna be doing a voiceover because my son was sleeping. I did not want to wake him up. I felt like it was the easiest for me to do this. So this is me laying out the carpet right here. The carpet is finally laid out. If you see the inside of my car, you see that it's dirty. So I had to take the initiative and go ahead and knock this out before I laid the carpet up in there. I had to clean up the mess that I left in there from me working on the roof and everything else in the car. Now, I don't plan on deep cleaning this car, but I highly recommend you vacuum the inside of your car, get all the little dirt and whatever it is, it's just sitting on the floor. As you can see, I'm not gonna wipe it down. This is good enough for me to just lay a dry carpet over it. I'm gonna use this front chair support to give me a little guide on where I need to cut the carpet because I need to cut a hole in those two places right there and maybe a hole right there. Now that I'm looking at the carpet, I'm realizing it might be easier for me to just go ahead and cut it down the middle, and I'll show you why. If I cut it down the middle, I can just open it up and set it over this right here. Here's me cutting. Please don't cut yourself. I use a razor. You can use scissors. Here's me installing the carpet with the slit down the middle. It's looking good, ain't it? Here's my wife helping me out. All right, so it's going good, but I need to cut the carpet a little bit longer so I can get past the e-brake. Wow, I found the switch to the fan. Does it work? Yeah, it works. Put the car not on, so see about that later. All right, so I'm gonna have to make more cuts into the carpet simply because I'm trying to go around whatever this thing is that holds up the dashboard. So I'm gonna make slits to go down just to lay this. I forgot how to install them inside the car, but I'm pretty sure it's straightforward. The only downfall is they're dirty, so I need to go ahead and clean them up. So I didn't clean it down all the way. I just used a simple rag and wiped it down. That's what it looks like so far. The cover that they have on this armrest, I mean, it looks nice, but I got different plans for it. What I really need to do is go ahead and paint these pieces black so it can match the rest of the interior. Yeah, let me get on that. And don't forget to make a slit for your little gas tank and your trunk opening. It's just FYI. So today's a whole different day. I went and took a break simply because my phone died. I didn't want to move forward without recording it. So now I'm to the point where I just have to cut my hose and lay this down. They give you an extra 6 inches of carpet to play with. So when you do lay it down, you will have too much. So what I'm running into is there is a bolt for the seatbelt that is right here that I need to make a cut for, but I'm not gonna cut a hole, I'm gonna make a slit. I push down the carpet just so I can have that extra little slack for when I pull up. It's kind of perfect. So let me go ahead. Now that the seatbelt is bolted in, this carpet is not going nowhere. Now for all this carpet in the back, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. Like I said, it was like extra carpet. There is extra carpet that you really don't need. For me, I know that the back seats, they latch up in here, so the rest of this right here can get tucked. I'm probably gonna cut. I'm gonna cut this one piece down here and tuck the rest, just to pull it. But all this right here, I do not need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that all the way across. I ended up cutting along the seam where I'm about to lay the carpet. I pushed it down and I cut along that. And I did the same thing all the way back, just enough to tuck it under this panel right here. I tucked everything under. There's enough for me to lay the seat. Maybe I might cut a little bit more, but I got a little, always keep a little extra just in case. And yeah, so when the seat sit, this will be ready to go. I still need to make slits right here, right there, right here. And you have to feel around for where the other one is. And it feels like it's right here. So I'll make another slit right there for the seat to bolt in. Now this part may not be for you guys, but I know I'm gonna have to cut 2 holes in the carpet right here simply because I found out that they have 2 bolts to hold this in. I ended up running out of black paint to finish painting the interior pieces. So some of them are not finished. I didn't put them in the car yet, but I got most of the car finished up with most of the interior pieces back in there right now. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. Yeah. Now, the only downfall I can say about this carpet is that when it comes to this piece right here, I feel like you need like a double-sided Velcro just to stick this right here. Or I don't know how people would get it to stay, but I mean, I feel like it's good. Nobody touching it. I feel like it will stay. I personally feel like it will stay in place if nobody touch it. But for my peace of mind, I would put double-sided tape or a certain type of Velcro on the back of this and stick it to this so it just would not move at all. Other than that, carpet ain't going nowhere. When it came to this, I cut along the line. Well, I cut along the seam of the door, like I told you, and then I just tucked it under. Like right now, I can pull it out, but you get the gist. Push that back up in there, and now that's not going nowhere. Mind you, the carpet is still a little bit dirty. I just gotta vacuum it up. It'll be ready to go. I'm not gonna put the seats in there because I'm gonna upgrade the seats soon, but I do have some roller seats in the back. These seats right here, but I'm not gonna run these unless I just need to move the car back and forth, but I ain't got no wheels yet, so that's not gonna happen no time soon. I really don't know if I said this or not, but this carpet ran me $170 plus $50, so about $220 shipped. If there's people out there thinking about doing their carpet in a car, I hope this video helps you. Like, share, subscribe. Please comment. Follow me on Instagram at Adam_Bap. And remember, turn your dreams into memories, not wishes, because I'm telling you, I'm making memories video by video. I mean, this thing coming out clean. This thing is nice. Like, got the X bar? Come on, man. Come on, bro. I'm trying to tell you, if you turn your dreams into memories, look, this was once a memory. Now it's done. It's not a wish. I don't want to wish for it because it's already done. Like, I already got it. Look at the paint. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. I got this new sticker. The Type 1 sticker to go on the front. This ran me $8.